Hey everyone, in today's Instagram video, I wanted to show you how to remove or add people on your Instagram direct message group. So as always, let's jump into the direct message group. I'm on the home page here. I'm gonna press the DM icon on the top right, and it's gonna take me to the direct message group. To create a group, all you will have to do is press the icon on the top right and go ahead and search or add the suggested people here by just selecting next to their name. So if I was to just pick these two people and then press chat on the top right, that will create a group. I already have this group selected, but that's how you create a group. And I have a complete video on that already, but I already created a group here. So all I will have to do is go to the group where I want to add or remove people. I'll select this group. And on this group, all I will have to do is press I on the top right. That will take me to this page. And here are some of the options I have. I could mute the message. So if I do this, I don't even have to remove myself from the group. I could just mute the message and not be interrupted by the group. To add people, all I would have to do is press add people right here and choose someone else to add. And all you have to do is select the check mark next to their name or search for them on top here and then press next to add them, just like that. And you could always leave the chat on the bottom of the page if you don't want to be part of that chat. But if you've created this chat, this is the only way to remove someone from the chat. There is no easy option like add people or leave chat. What you have to do is press the three dots next to the name of the person you want to remove, and you have to block them. You could then directly follow them back, but you have to block them right now. And they won't be notified that you blocked them, so that's okay. So I'm gonna press block here. And as you can see on the members list, they've been blocked. So let me jump into that profile and see if I could send a message to this group. Let me jump into this message here, say hi, and send it. And let me see what happens if I go back to the other group that I blocked this on. So I'm gonna jump into this group message, and that message did not appear, as if it never happened. So that's really the only way to basically remove someone from a group chat is by pressing I on your group and then blocking them. But hopefully at some point, Instagram just adds a remove option right here instead of block. But that's the way to get around it. A lot of people asked me to make this video, and this is the best way at the time of this recording to do it. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily social media videos, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.